What's up, guys? Just went to the grocery store, saw this finally. I saw this, I follow some people on Instagram, and I see on Facebook people who share like upcoming flavors of things and new snacks and all kind of stuff. Probably shouldn't because I've always had FOMO before. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you saw there's a bunch of new chip flavors and candy and all that kind of crap that I normally would pick up. I want to make videos on it, I want to try, but I'm over it. I mean, there's certain things I know I'll have to try, but for the most part, I'm okay. I'm okay living without trying every kind of snack in the world. However, when I saw this is the Sprite TEA, or Sprite Plus TEA, I knew I had to try it. So if you guys remember back when it got pretty viral, where people were putting tea bags, and I think maybe lemon juice inside of a Sprite, and it's supposed to be like the most refreshing thing ever. Well, Sprite caught wind of that, and they said, yeah, let's do that. Let's do Sprite with tea. I like Sprite, I like tea. All right, so let's see if I dig this. Now, I don't think there's any 0-calorie versions of this. This is a full sugar drink, right? 230 calories. All right, well, just a sip. Anyway, here we go. Sprite with tea. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's great. I hope they come out with a 0 version because I can't have all that sugar. I shouldn't anyway. So it's really good. So when you first swallow it, it's Sprite. It's immediately Sprite. You know it's Sprite, but then you get hit with that natural like sweet tea flavor. It's not overly sweet because the Sprite itself is not too sweet. Really, really good stuff though. So if you're a tea fan in general, to have a carbonated tea flavored drink, I mean, this is it. This is going to definitely slap this summer for a lot of people. Again, I'm really hoping you guys let me know in the comment section if there's a 0 version of this, because I can't touch this full sugar stuff. It's good. It's good. I mean, I'll have my wife, have the rest of the bottle, but damn, I hope they come out with a 0 version. So that's it. Just wanted to try that for you guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you had this, what you think of it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. We're getting more rain. Rain. Why is there so much rain this year? It's ridiculous. Anyway, that's it. See you guys tomorrow.